We have one of our exhibitors from MOLDEX India 2024. How has your experience been so far?
Pretty good. I'm coming from Europe, and I've been here for about 5 days now, and a lot of interesting people over here. A lot of people walking by from all of India, and yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah, like it.
So, how do you see this exhibition specifically in terms of the visitors that you're getting at your booth, and in terms of the business targets? Are you achieving the ones that you said before, planning to exhibit over here?
We just last minute. We just entered last minute. So for us, it's pretty new. We are making 3D printers for the industry. So we're pretty new. We get a lot of questions, a lot of interesting in how to do it, how to make a print service. Yeah, the expectation it's overachieved our expectations. We got more than 200 applications, so this is really good. Absolutely.
That is great to hear. What do you think in terms of potential of the Indian market for your products and services?
What I said, we're 3D printing, and it's a start of this industry. So India, in the large scale we were doing large scale 3D printing, we're just in the beginning in India. So we got a lot of potential over here. I think we're going to grow a heap more. I think next year we have 4 times the size of the booth. It must be. So it's a lot of potential in India. It's an Indian-based company, yeah.
So in terms of the exhibition, I mean, what are your impressions of the organization, the marketing activities? Are you happy with the branding that has been done for your organization on behalf of the organization?
Yes. They only started build this up 5 months ago. We just entered at the last moment. So they were really helpful to put it out of booth. We got a good location, we got a good bed. They help us, they support us. They come by every day to ask about how it's going, if they need some help. Very good. I love the organization. Did a very good job.
That is really good to know. And could you shed some light specifically on the kind of visitors that you've seen on your booth and the ones that you were expecting in the future, given that we will see you in 2026?
So we got, I think yesterday I had a lot of students. The rest of the week it was a lot of clients. What I'm seeing now, it's a lot of companies, employees of companies is coming by. We need to have the same that we have the last week. We don't have any changes for over 2 years. No problem.
So MOLDEX India 2024, according to you, in one word.
That's difficult. Impressive.
That is good to know. Okay, I think you said this, but let me get it on camera. Yeah. Will we see you at MOLDEX India 2026?
Yes, you will see us. And a bigger booth, so we got more space.
That is really good to hear. So as you heard it from one of our exhibitors, what his experience has been at MOLDEX India 2024. And he says he will be here in a bigger and better manner in MOLDEX India 2026.